This high-intensity interval training workout combines core and cardio work. Let's start by activating your core and your shoulders. We've got 2 minutes to cycle through 2 movements twice. Take breaks if you need. We've got the downward dog toe touch to side plank. From plank, pull back to downward dog, drawing your right hand back to your left shin. Keep your left elbow locked as you return back to plank. Now shift your weight through your left palm and reach that right arm up towards the sky. Other side, plank to downward dog, left hand reaches to your right shin, forward to plank, reach your left arm to the sky. Plank to downward dog, and continue with this movement, alternating sides. Bend your knees as much as you need to get into downward dog. Next is fast hands. From your strong plank, draw your ribcage together and let those arms fly. Out, out, in, just like football feet. We're keeping those joints strong and making quick floor contact. You can always bring your knees to the floor for a modified plank. Use your breath to power through. Back to the first move, downward dog toe touch to side plank. Stack your shoulder over your wrist in side plank. Nice. Come back to a solid plank after each shin touch. Don't rush through. Fast hands one more time. Come to plank, out, out, in. Get those hands moving as fast as possible. Hips stay nice and level throughout. Dig a little deeper for these last few. And we've got 1 minute to recover. Focus on your breathing. Slow that heart rate down. Inhale for 2, exhale for 3. Check in with yourself here. How are you feeling? Move around, grab some water, breathe, and stay in your body. Take this time to give yourself a little love. Stretch out where you need to, and you know best. Focus up on what qualities you want to work on for your next round. How big and bold do you want to go today? Give yourself a little pep talk for this round. We got this. Let me explain what we're doing next. We're moving on to our Tabata intervals, which you'll be resting half as long as you're working. We've got 4 movements and we'll be rotating through them 4 times. The first movement is 180 hops. So from your squat, jump as high as you can as you rotate 180 degrees. If the full 180 is too much, you can always start with a 90-degree hop or just turn swiftly. You've got 10 seconds to rest. Breathe. Next up, we've got burpees. Jump to your squat, hands down, and step or hop yourself to push up. Step or hop yourself back to squat and finish with a jump. Keep that good form. 10 seconds to rest. Inhale and exhale. Grab your slam ball and let's get ready for potato sack runs. Place that slam ball on your right shoulder and start running. Get those knees up and swing your free arm. March it out if you need to modify. And rest. We are working today. Other side. Get that slam ball onto that left shoulder and go. Spine stays long, no slouching here. Let's pick it up. Drive those legs. All right, that's one full loop. We've got 3 to go. Quick rest, and we're back to it. 180 hops. Use your arms for extra momentum. Get big. Always look in the direction you are jumping. And rest. Burpees. If you're down for a high impact, finish with a jump at the end. Keep breathing. Think of this as your burpee fuel. And rest. Potato sack runs to the right side. Your core is nice and tight here. Stay focused. You are killing this. Quick break as we get ready to hit the other side. And potato sack runs to the left side. Swing the free arm as if you're sprinting up a hill. Strong finish here. Rest. And we're on to round 3. 180 hops. Always look in the direction that you are jumping. Use that breath to jump higher. Rest. And let's get to our burpees. And go. I want you to challenge yourself here to think your best thoughts. Tell yourself you can do this, and you will. Woo! You did so well. Quick rest here. And into our potato sack runs. Right side, and go. Remember, you can always march it out. Just give it your best right to the end. Breathe. Rest. Just one more side left. And let's give it everything now. Potato sack runs, left side. Go! Drive those legs and swing that arm. Feel how strong you are. Just seconds left here. Rest. Take some deep breaths before we head into the final round. Last set of 180 hops. Go! Swing your arms for maximum power. Keep breathing. Rest. Okay, team, last set of burpees. Let's give it everything. Go! Make these your best burpees ever. Almost there. Woo! Quick breather before potato sack runs. Right side is up. Let's go. Your core will keep you strong right to the end here. Stay tight and stay focused. Drive with power. So good. Quick break as we switch sides here. Okay, last move of the round. Left side, and go. Resist the urge to slouch here. Keep that form. 100% you can finish strong here. Dig deep, go in, and be bold. Rest. Woo, that was a burner right to the end. Great work. We're finishing with 2 minutes of dead bugs to strengthen your core. Come on down to your back with your arms and legs in the air, pushing your lower back into the floor as you extend your right arm and your right leg down, keeping your rib cage in and your back flat. The slower the better. Having a strong core is going to help you perform your daily movements stronger and more effective. Remember, it's the same arm and leg moving together. Right arm moving in tandem with your right leg. You got this. I like to think of myself as a beetle with its legs in the air here. And on to the other side, arms and legs back to neutral. Extend your left arm and your left leg down. Let's do this nice and slow. Keep on going for another minute. Make sure to keep your lower back in contact with the floor with your rib cage closed. Inhale to lower. Exhale to come back up. Breathe and enjoy the view here. Keep that core tight and let's get a few more in to finish. Almost at the finish line. And that's it for your workout, friends. Nice work. Start to slow your breathing down as we get ready for our flexibility-based cool down.